After testing countless power banks, we decided we had enough. So we set out to design a power bank that doesn't suck. Tao is a patented ultra-compact power bank, the size of a key fob. You can easily snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need it. Integrated connectors make Tao universally compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and micro USB devices, thanks to our dual connector. With Tao, you can charge virtually every portable device. Thanks to a unique dock, you can be sure that Tao will always have juice when you need it. You can stick it on a wall or on your desk, so when you get back home, all you have to do is set down your keys, and Tao will start charging. You will always have a fully charged power bank with you, without even having to think about it. Tao is already manufacturing, so you won't have to wait for ages to receive it. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past 5 years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Back us today and get Tao at the lowest price it will ever be.
Introducing Just Simple Power Bank, the world's fastest and most convenient all-in-one wireless and wired power bank.
Hi, I'm Cassie, co-founder of Just Simple. We are a team believing products with simplicity, functionality, and quality. We only create products we would use ourselves. Nowadays, everybody owns multiple devices. Every device has its unique charging method, so people need to carry different types of chargers every day or when they travel. We want to create a product that charges everything for everyone.
Just Simple Power Bank allows you to charge all your portable devices, smartphones, Apple Watches, iPads, AirPods, Bluetooth speakers, you name it, and you can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. It's great for sharing. The most cutting-edge Qualcomm Fast Charge 4+ technology allows selected phones to charge from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. Our Qi-compatible wireless fast charge is up to 1.4 times faster than standard Qi wireless charging, allowing you to spend more time working, playing, watching, and listening. Our built-in 3-in-1 cable has Apple Lightning, micro USB, and the newest USB-C. You'll never get stuck if you leave the correct cable at home. The internal USB-C cable makes it the perfect companion for your Windows or Mac laptop if you need a quick boost. The unique suction cups allow your device to safely stick to the pad so you can use your phone while it's being charged. It also keeps them from moving around when you put them into your bag. With an integrated power display, you can see exactly how much battery is left so your power bank never runs out of juice when you need it. The power bank can turn into a charging dock, perfect for when you stay at a hotel or work at a coffee shop where power outlets are limited. Whether you plug it in, set it on top, or stick it together, Just Simple Power Bank is the perfect solution to make sure you never get down to 0 again.
We have finalized the design, created functional prototypes, and have the manufacturing lined up. Please help us bring this idea to reality.
This is a 10,000. It is a graphene battery bank, essentially be the fastest charging battery bank on planet Earth. So it's called ElectJet. I believe it's a Kickstarter.
It's an Indiegogo.
Indiegogo.
Are you sure it's 5,000?
This is a 10,000. Oh my God, this one's even better than the one I was looking at on their website.
This is the new one.
This is the new one. It's Apollo Max. This is 10,000 milliamp hour graphene in 19 minutes. One more minute, twice the capacity. You could charge your MacBook off this. It's a whole different story. Over here you have an in-out in a Type-C format, and then you have a traditional USB. To put this in perspective, the enhanced charger you might use for an iPhone 11, which is included with the iPhone 11 Pro, that's an 18-watt charger. This one capable of outputting 60 and recharging itself at 100 watts. So that's a beast, obviously. You see, we already went up a point. 84%. We're still at 100. We didn't even lose 1% yet. You see how that goes? On the bleeding edge with the graphene tech inside, and also if you're disorganized like myself, where your battery bank is never charged for whatever reason. If that happens with this one, it's the only 10,000 milliamp hour battery on planet Earth that you're going to be able to get boosted to 100 before you have to leave, because it only takes 19 minutes. So that's the story of the product.
When it comes to portable chargers, there are many options. How do you know which one to pick? Here are some that can fit in my pocket. And here are some models that can keep my phone charged for at least a couple of days. And this is the Super Mini by Zendure. Super Mini is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger, delivering enough charge capacity to keep you going in a package that's small enough you can take anywhere. By the way, we're doing something a little different with this crowdfunding campaign. More on that later. Super Mini's cutting-edge, high-density power cells pack more energy in a smaller space. Super Mini's USB-C port offers 18-watt power delivery, input and output capability, cutting charging time by up to 44%. Super Mini itself only needs about 3 hours to get a full recharge, while the USB-A port features 18-watt Zen Plus 2.0 technology with adaptive quick charge, taking advantage of rapid charging capabilities of compatible QC 3.0 devices. Super Mini also supports pass-through charging technology. Of course, appearances matter too. That's why Super Mini comes in 3 different varieties to suit your personal style, including Blue Horizon. If you pre-order Super Mini right now, you can save up to 51% off the expected retail price. Each Super Mini comes with a USB-A and USB-C combo cable, plus a 2-year warranty from Zendure. Like I said before, we're doing things a little differently. We're putting our backers in the driver's seat of an interactive campaign unlike anything seen before. Order today and keep an eye out for updates in the coming weeks to join in. Yes, there's a lot of options for portable chargers, but it's not a hard decision. Get charged, get going. Super Mini from Zendure.
One more, please.
Be extremely careful with this egg. We'll take it back to the lab and then we'll hatch it. So all we have to do is go through. Can you give me the wrench? Just toss it up here.
GoSpace Supercharger, the one which solves all your file transfer and fast charging needs. Supercharger provides you a convenience way. You don't need other devices to use your adapter and transfer data. Just transferring data by one device. GoSpace Supercharger. You could edit your stuff on your electronic device by any time and anywhere you like. Use it when needed. GoSpace Supercharger. Not just a card adapter, not a normal charger. It could also be a super power bank. Large MAH that could support your life. Supercharger also supports the latest power delivery, fast charging technology. You can charge your laptop and mobile devices at the same time, which can support new MacBook. All your device needed is GoSpace Supercharger. GoSpace provides you all the adapters for different countries. Just one move and 1 second to switch the adapters you need. Just pick the one you need and you are ready to go. Our multi-protection safety system will make you feel safe to bring GoSpace Supercharger out. All you need is just one device and go.